A1 Pro Cleaning in Encino, California. 5 stars across 712 reviews. Customers clearly love the work, but their online marketing tells a very different story. We ran a live map scan for carpet cleaning company across a 5-mile radius around the business. A1 Pro hit the top 3 map results 0% of the time. That map pack is where most local customers click, so most nearby searches never see them at all. The homepage itself has no H1 heading, the strongest single signal telling Google what a page is about, and no meta description, so Google writes its own preview text instead of them. 17 out of 17 images on the page are missing alt text. Free image search visibility, completely unused. Then the measurement side, no Google Analytics, no Google Ads conversion tag, no Facebook pixel. If $1 ever goes into ads, there's no way to know what it brought back, and no retargeting the people who already visited. We also found no social media links on the site and no YouTube channel under their name, 712 happy customers, and no audience being built anywhere. Now, none of this is advanced. These are basics. And when basics get missed, it's usually because agencies collect monthly retainers while junior staff juggle 80 accounts, and nobody actually looks. If someone's being paid to run this marketing, they should have caught every one of these. And here's what most owners don't know yet. With AI, these exact fixes can now run automatically. With a bit of guidance, you can take control, run your marketing in-house, and own the whole thing, never depending on an agency again. If you run a local service business and want us to find what's leaking in your marketing, free audit, link below.
Now, if you're the owner of this business, the good news is that everything we found is fixable and fast. And if you want our help in fixing it, plus a complete system that will help you take control over your lead generation system built inside your account using AI and automation so that you would never need a marketing agency ever again, visit localservicemastery.com and book a demo call to see how we can help you. For the rest of you, I'll see you guys here in the next review.